Prepare to witness the breathtaking chaos and cosmic ballet as worlds collide in a celestial spectacle like no other. Brace yourself for cosmic collisions. When worlds clash, a mind-bending journey through the explosive encounters that shape the very fabric of our universe. From epic galaxy collisions that unleash cosmic fireworks to the cataclysmic clashes between planets that birthed our moon, this video unveils the awe-inspiring forces that shape our cosmic destiny. Get ready to be captivated as we delve into the celestial clashes that redefine our understanding of the cosmos and leave you marveling at the sheer power and beauty of the universe. Cosmic collisions refer to the spectacular interactions that occur between celestial objects in the vast expanse of the universe. These collisions can take place on various scales, from the minuscule clashes between asteroids or comets to the epic collisions between galaxies or even clusters of galaxies. They are driven by the powerful force of gravity, which governs the motion and interactions of celestial bodies. They provide scientists with invaluable opportunities to unravel the mysteries of the universe, explore the laws of physics, and deepen our understanding of the complex dynamics and processes that govern the cosmos. Here are a few examples of cosmic collisions. Planetary collisions. Planetary collisions are impactful events that occur when celestial bodies within a planetary system, such as planets, moons, asteroids, or comets, collide with one another. These collisions can have significant consequences, shaping the physical characteristics and trajectories of the involved bodies. Planetary collisions can result in the alteration of orbits, the fragmentation and destruction of objects, or the creation of new celestial bodies. They can occur due to gravitational interactions, orbital disturbances, or the remnants of earlier collisions. Planetary collisions have played a crucial role in shaping the history and evolution of our solar system, leading to the formation of moons, the creation of asteroid belts, and the shaping of planetary surfaces. By studying the aftermath of planetary collisions, scientists gain insights into the dynamics of celestial bodies and the processes that govern their formation and development. Stellar collisions. Stellar collisions occur when two stars come into proximity and interact gravitationally, leading to a direct physical collision or a merging of their outer layers. These events are rare but immensely powerful, with tremendous amounts of energy released in the process. Stellar collisions can have significant consequences for the involved stars, altering their properties and potentially leading to the formation of new stellar objects. Depending on the masses and types of stars involved, the collision can result in the formation of a more massive star, the creation of a binary star system, or even trigger stellar explosions such as supernova. Stellar collisions provide a unique opportunity for astronomers to study the extreme physics at play, including the dynamics of gravitational interactions, nuclear reactions, and the subsequent evolution of the merged objects. Galaxy collisions. Galaxy collisions are captivating celestial events that occur when two or more galaxies come into proximity and interact gravitationally. These collisions can have profound effects on the structure, composition, and evolution of the involved galaxies. As galaxies approach each other, their gravitational forces distort their shapes, causing tidal interactions and the exchange of mass and energy. The collision triggers intense bursts of star formation as gas and dust are compressed and shockwaves propagate through the galaxies. Over millions of years, the galaxies merge, forming a single, larger galaxy or a new structure altogether. Galaxy collisions provide scientists with a unique opportunity to study the processes that govern the formation of stars, the dynamics of galactic evolution, and the role of dark matter in shaping cosmic structures. By observing these collisions through telescopes and computer simulations, researchers can gain valuable insights into the intricate mechanisms that shape our universe. Cluster collisions. Cluster collisions occur when two or more clusters of galaxies, which are enormous collections of galaxies held together by gravity, come into contact and interact with each other. These collisions are among the most energetic events in the universe, releasing vast amounts of energy and producing spectacular cosmic phenomena. When clusters collide, the immense gravitational forces at play cause gas and dark matter within the clusters to interact violently, creating shockwaves and turbulence. The collision can accelerate particles to high speeds, generating powerful jets of radiation and streams of hot gas. These collisions provide astronomers with unique opportunities to study the distribution of dark matter, investigate the properties of dark energy, and explore the complex interplay between gravity, gas dynamics, and cosmic structures. By observing and analyzing cluster collisions, scientists can gain insights into the fundamental processes that shape the large-scale structure and evolution of the universe. What happens when the cosmos collide? When the cosmos collide, it is a monumental event that can have profound consequences on a cosmic scale. The collision of celestial objects such as galaxies, clusters of galaxies, or even superclusters can trigger a variety of fascinating phenomena. When galaxies collide, for example, their gravitational interactions cause immense tidal forces that can distort their shapes, trigger bursts of star formation, and lead to the eventual merging of the galaxies. The collision of galaxy clusters results in the merging of hot gas clouds and the formation of shockwaves, generating powerful emissions of X-rays and radio waves. These collisions also provide opportunities for studying dark matter distribution, as the gravitational lensing effect can be observed when light from distant objects is distorted by the gravitational pull of the colliding masses. Ultimately, cosmic collisions play a crucial role in shaping the structure, evolution, and dynamics of the universe, offering a glimpse into the intricate workings of the cosmos. As we delve into the awe-inspiring realm of cosmic collisions, the universe unveils its most dramatic and cataclysmic encounters. Cosmic collisions, when worlds clash, takes us on a breathtaking journey where celestial bodies unleash their full might, merging and shattering in a ballet of cosmic forces. Witness the birth of new worlds, the violent dance of galaxies, and the breathtaking display of stellar explosions. If you found our video informative, kindly subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.